How to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So Meta AI in WhatsApp is a new feature. So if you want to remove it, you will have to download the older versions. To do so, simply uninstall the WhatsApp application. Then head over to your preferred browser. Then search for WhatsApp download APK. Then from any of these websites like up to down or APK Peer, you have to tap on them and you will see this option older versions. Simply tap on it and download any of these older versions. Select the older version and scroll down and you will find this option download. This will be absolutely free for you, and once you have downloaded the file, simply install the application into your device and you will be good to go. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.